Hey guys, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to me, turn on push notifications, and like this video.
Hey everyone, this is just an update about what's going on with my channel. There's a few things I gotta talk about. First off, to start it off, the Random Elevators movie, I was gonna try to get a machine room tour in on a Otis Series 1. The Otis Series 1 that has the basement that is locked off. I'm gonna try to get the basement. Okay, so next week, I don't go to this building that often, but I'm going to be at the building every day next week. I'm going to try to find someone I know there to try and take me down to the basement. Because what I'm going to try and ask him to do is I'm going to see if he'll let me do like the key thing for the floor lockout. I believe it's the UTD key, because that's the main lockout key. I believe that's the one it takes to get down to the basement. So I'm gonna ask him to do it, and hopefully he'll say yes. Probably, because I have been down there before. I had a whole tour of the building once, and normally they don't do stuff like that, but I had a whole tour and we got to go down and see the machine room. I'll try to see if I can get the oil being pumped in. Not like seeing it pumped into the hydraulic ram, just seeing it go down the level of oil. On the elevator. We'll also look at the controller if we can. I'll try to do this. I was going to try to do it yesterday because I was at the building yesterday. Or Friday the 15th, in case this video is not getting uploaded till the 17th of June. Also, I will be taking a trip to Colorado, so hopefully that's the next thing. Trip to Colorado, I'll be in Colorado for a bit, so hopefully maybe I can meet up with Smart Shape Guy 118 Productions. We're going to be very busy. We're going to be trying to find elevators, but and do other stuff. I hope I can meet up with you, Ben, because that would just be awesome, okay? And at some point, be close then, I'll give you my email and I can give you more information. That's all. That's all my other viewers. This will just be private information between me and him, because I'm not sharing it with everyone. Okay. Anyway, next piece of info. Oh, what was it? Oh, come on. Think. What was it? I actually forgot, guys. There's a lot of info. Oh yes. If you did not know, on this channel, after a subscriber special, we have a few changes that occurred to the channel. I'm currently working on some new intros. Also, I found some non-copyright music that I'm gonna throw in for the outro. So that will be there all the time. It's disco music. Here, let me just, if I go to downloads, hold on. I'll just do it later. You guys, hold on. Maybe if I go to it, the website. Royalty-free music. It's a disco type. I'll just play it from here. Search up disco. Here we go. Disco string. There it is. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna mute the volume this time. Alright, I'm going to press and hold the shift key to mute the volume, and here we go. And that's it. So, that's about all the things I really got for an update on this channel. As you know, 500 subscriber special is going to be released at 500 subscribers. I need everyone to go on and vote on the vote page. Also, I will be changing my pictures real soon. So, just so you know. Ben, I'm going to be changing my picture soon. So if you use my picture for a thumbnail, you have to get the new one. I'm going to set it. Actually, I was about to tell you what it's going to be. I'm going to surprise you. I think you'll like this one. Anyway, if you have not done the survey, go do it now, because I need votes. We got one vote in right now. I'm not telling you guys what it is. All you have to do is be signed into Google, and all you have to do is pick a game. this will be part of the 500 subscriber special. And speaking of that, I filmed the first part of it, the Fortune Street part. I'm not going to tell you who wins that. And no, I only took it once. I did not retake it over and over. I did it once. Only once, okay? So then we'll be doing whichever game wins. I'll play that probably for 10 to 15 minutes, because I believe it's an hour. The Fortune Street part is an hour long, so I'm trying to make this one 45 to 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's my normal length of these movies, is to be there. The Random Elevators movie was really long, since we had an upburst in subscribers, and it was just awesome, so I decided to throw on some New York elevators. Otherwise, I was going to throw those into a New York vacation video. Anyway, that's really all the announcements I have. So if you have not CLS, which means comment, like, and subscribe, please do that. Much appreciated. Like the video, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and of course, subbing to me will also make sure you share your subscriptions with people. Otherwise, I cannot subscribe back to you. That happens where people will do that. I can't subscribe back to you unless you share it. And if you don't share it, tell me in the comments that you subscribe to me. Please do that. I'll subscribe to you as well. I try to go on and check. Sorry, that was a yawn. I try to go on and check all the time. Anyway, go vote on my website. It's under the vote page, and my website is JamesTube8439. This picture, it will be changing real soon. What's his name? Lakitu. Lakitu is his name, and we will be changing it up. We've had his profile for a bit. Also, like I said, I'm working on new intros. I'm going to shorten them out a bit. I don't know if I'm going to keep the bell, like and subscribe intro. I might. Yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of that. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that, because I mean, we literally say CLS at the end of the video. It's just unneeded. It's just an add-on, and we don't need it. It's unneeded. Anyway, so make sure you also sign up. Also, one other thing, sign up for Remind. Sign up. I have all the information here. If you have any trouble, let me know. Okay? Text the number 81010 and message at JT8439. I hope you all know what JT means. JamesTube8439. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys for more videos. Bye, everyone.